Where are we going to on there?
We're going up here. AOXC. Right there. You're gonna fly over the house, you tell them what's flying over the house?
Is it going to take us out of the way?
No, it's on the way.
On the ground, Cherokee 780 Delta Alpha is west side, hangar 1, full length, runway 6.
Cherokee 780 Delta Alpha, Long Island ground, runway 6, taxi via Whiskey Golf.
Runway 6 via Whiskey and Golf.
How many minutes?
Ground 44 Golf is ready to go.
Number 254 for Golf, Long Island ground, runway 6, taxi via Alpha.
Taxi Alpha, 44 Golf.
And ground Mooney, November 169 Whiskey Romeo, Holstead, ramp with Golf, IFR to Nantucket, ready to go.
Mooney 169 Whiskey Romeo, Long Island ground, runway 6, taxi via Whiskey Golf.
How many minutes you think?
Till we get there?
To the house.
I don't know, I'll tell you when we get
with
there.
I know,
not a
to
Whiskey
come
Romeo.
out on the deck.
On 169
Yeah,
Whiskey
they're going to see us if they go in the front of the house. not the
Runway
back.
6, taxi via Hotel Sierra. Last runway 33 right, hold short approach, runway 33 left.
Maybe, do you want to see the house? Because if you want to see the house, you have to go in the front so you can see it.
Cross 33 right and hold short the approach of 33 left, 9 Whiskey
I
Romeo.
want to see them, so should
Then
they go
we
in the
tell them to
front?
go in the front.
Long on ground,
Yeah,
9 and 2 Hotel Fox just cleared runway 6 on Whiskey, back to Heritage.
Ground 44 Golf holding short to runway 6.
Number 354 for Golf, contact Tower.
Over to town, 4 for Golf.
008.
Long Island Tower, Skyhawk 3544 Golf is holding short, runway 6.
Just Julie Poppy, contact departure, good day.
Sure, Pop, on now.
November 3544 Golf, Line Tower, Roger, hold short, runway 6. Number 2 for departure.
Go hold short, runway 6, runway number 2 for departure, 4 for Golf.
That thing up there, that screw?
So 777, when speeding out to permit, turn left. Left turn heading 030,
It doesn't look...
and contact departure, good day.
Left to 030, 6577, and I'm switching.
November 3544 Golf, wind 0606, gust 18, runway 6, full length, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 4 for Golf.
And Tower Sirius 823, Echo Romeo will be holding short Alpha, runway 6, ready for VFR departure.
Hold this full.
This is November 823 Echo Romeo, Line Tower, Roger, hold short, runway 6.
Holding short 823, Echo Romeo.
6.
Land Tower 871 Fox on left downwind from runway 6.
Your base turn, few departures prior.
And Long Island Tower, Cherokee 780 Delta Alpha is ready to go full length 6 at Golf.
Who was the other just call?
Cherokee 780 Delta Alpha ready to go full length 6 at Golf.
Cherokee number 780 Delta Alpha, Line Tower, Roger, hold short, runway 6.
Holding short runway 6, 0 Delta Alpha.
So 7 Hotel Fox, try to make a right 360.
87 Alpha Fox making a right 360.
Cheers 3 Echo Romeo, just confirm you number 1 on the Alpha side of runway 6.
Yes, sir, number 1, Alpha side, runway 6, 823 Echo Romeo.
Cheers 3 Echo Romeo, wind 0309 at gust 13, runway
good?
6, full length, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 823 Echo Romeo.
That's 44 Golf, turn left, left turn heading 030.
Left 030, 4 for Golf.
Golf, contact departure, good day.
Departure, thanks. Departure. Golf, 800 for 2000 off Iceland.
November 3544 Golf, near departure, radar contact, climb to your requested altitude is approved.
Climb to requested altitude, 3544 Golf.
Oh, shit. Why is it doing that?
It's just a little bump on the way.
Ugh.
Number 522, Juliet Whiskey, press approach approved, no separate services provided, maintain VFR, change to advisory frequency approved.
Let's talk team to go, 2 Juliet Whiskey.
It'll smooth out in a sec.
Oh, number 3544 Golf, what's your heading?
Heading is 010.
Number 44 Golf, roger.
Going on.
And November 823 Echo Romeo, roger.
Nothing.
Proceed on course.
We're just going.
823 Echo Romeo.
Tell me when I tell them that we're over the house.
Okay.
Mike Echo.
Number 294 Mike Echo, near approach.
4376 ident, says the 294 Mike Echo.
Shaky?
What?
Gonna get less shaky?
Yeah, a little bit. It's not really shaky, it's just a little, we're going slow, going up. Okay, we're going to go over the house in a little
Where are
bit.
we going?
Going to go over the house in a bit?
Proceed on course.
1500 on course, 0 Delta Alpha.
How many minutes?
Like 1 minute.
Number 468 Juliet Papa, contact approach
Where are
124.07.
we?
We're just coming over,
That's Ward Melville?
no, on your right side, you're going to see 347 in a second.
New York approach, good morning, Skylane 757, Charlie Romeo 4300, climbing 5500.
Number 757 Charlie
Okay,
Romeo,
tell them to look out the front.
3026.
If you look out your side, you're going to see us a little bit.
Number 294 Mike Echo, radar contact 10 miles northwest of Iceland, enter the left
This is
downwind.
347?
Yeah, you're going to see you'll see
Downwind runway 6.
look for the lake by D. Snyder's house, and our house is right next to it, across the street. Down there. We're coming across Three Village Club right
New
now.
York 2119 Echo, did I miss a call?
Oh, I see.
We should be over it right now.
Near approach.
See anybody down there?
Yeah, we'd like to return.
We're right over our neighborhood right now. You look right straight down.
Number 2119 Echo, roger, turn
I
right
don't
heading
see
360, vectors runway 6.
Right heading 360, vectors runway 6, 19 Echo.
I don't see it. Right now?
Yeah, we're right over it.
That's the tower 119.3.
Over to tower, says the 294 Mike Echo.
Oh, okay. Got it. I see
See
our
it?
house.
See our house?
Yeah, that's us.
Is anybody out there?
I don't see them, but they said they're out there.
Then they're out there.
She didn't see us. She said there's so many planes. Oh, she saw.
Number 3544 Golf,
What is that?
contact approach 124.07.
12407, thanks.
Up and 724 Whiskey, I'd like to punch out.
44 Golf, Ian.
44 Golf is with you at 3400.
44 Golf, traffic 2 o'clock, 3 miles southwestbound, citation at 4,000.
Okay, we'll look for traffic. We're going to hold at 3500. 44 Golf.
44 Golf, roger.
Traffic?
Cirrus 126 Echo Victor.
Yeah, way ahead of us. You'll be amazed how quickly we get over the water.
I'm waiting.
Number 1729 Hotel, contact New York approach
Wherever life takes you, trust the
120.05.
journey.
20.05, have a good weekend.
Who says that?
Me. Quote I found that I like.
Oh, yeah?
Trying to trust this journey.
Trusting it.
Trusting it.
Yeah, eventually you'll get to enjoy it. Right now you're just trying to get through it. Right ahead's Bridgeport.
Tell me when you're not on water.
Okay.
My feeling. Can I talk to you?
What? Yeah.
We talk?
Yeah.
Or are you listening?
I'm always listening, but I'm you can talk.
My
Just going down a little bit because we're above.
My feeling is that God wanted us to fly.
Yes.
Would have put like, you know how like there are Saks and Bloomingdale's Like at off ramps on the expressway?
Yeah. It would be those at the airport?
I think they'd be at the airport if I was meant to fly.
Well, you know, it depends which airport you go to. There's definitely not.
The other thing I'm thinking is, you know how like there's really cool clothes when you go skiing and play tennis?
There must be good clothes to fly in.
I don't understand. There's no cool flying clothes.
There are.
I looked. The only cool thing I could find was a Louis Vuitton bag. With stuff you show your things in.
Well, you could put your headphones in that.
Yeah.
44 Golf traffic just passed underneath you at 3,200.
Oop, you listening?
Okay, we're looking for the job. We have that job inside 44 Golf.
Traffic. Where's traffic? Oh, that's scary. That's a yellow plane.
Yeah, it's a Piper Cub.
I like that. Happy yellow.
Yeah, it's very slow. If you notice, when I go across the water, I go straight across. He's going on an angle.
Why?
You shouldn't. You really should just go the shortest you can go, you know? We're almost on land.
Okay. What's the other quote that I like? My other quote is, "Go rock this day. You've got this."
Michelle, see that? We're over the land now, so I can tell you.
What?
That's the Bridgeport ferry where we come in.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Huh?
We're on the other side of the water, by the way.
Go rock this day. You've got this.
Good.
New York here, 315, 4,300 for 5,500.
I could be like the guy on SNL. Positive affirmation by Michelle.
3028, 315.
Life's a journey. Enjoy the ride. Trying. Can't we ride like in a car?
1407.
To enjoy the journey.
November 1125 X-ray 3,500.
1125 X-ray New York approach, altimeter 3028.
I'm wondering when you're going to take up a hobby like chess.
No, we're in Sniper Arrow. 25 X-ray.
Not very.
Golf.
5 X-ray, roger.
Tennis.
Kind of boring.
New York 999, November 16,000, descending cross Deer Park, 15250.
Yoga.
Phenom 9er Tango November New York approach, cross.
Want me to help you?
Need the,
Why?
tower 118.475.
120.8.
I told Rhonda we should make a pilot's wives club
You should probably.
for people that hate to for pilots' wives that hate to fly.
New York approach 199er Hotel Pop.
November 199er
How
Hotel
long before we
Papa,
got
New York
there?
approach.
That's the airport there, so
Approach 199er
15
Hotel Pop
minutes.
is direct 44 November,
Where is it?
3,700.
There.
We're about 16 miles
Why is it 15
north
minutes
of
away
East
then
Hampton.
still?
Maybe 10 minutes away?
Oh, there's like a helicopter pad. Helicopter. Or maybe it's a hospital. Maybe that's Yale.
Phenom 9er
That
Tango
Yale?
November,
Yeah.
maintain 7,000.
7,000, 19 November.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
All right.
Why is this?
Just a little bump there.
Number 3544 Golf, Oxford 12 o'clock, 10 miles, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved. Squawk VFR. Thanks. Oxford Tower, Skyhawk 3544 Golf is 3,000, descending 10 miles to the south inbound runway 36.
Sorry, I missed that. 10 south, calling inbound, say again the call sign.
3544 Golf, we have Oscar and we're inbound 36.
3544 Golf, Roger, make straight on approach to runway 36, report a 4 mile final.
We'll put the 4 mile final 3544 Golf.
Yeah, 44 Golf, verify your type aircraft again.
Skyhawk 172.
Thank you.
Everything good?
Yeah, everything's good.
Golf, you're number 2 following a Cessna just turning right base to about a half-mile final.
I always have that traffic in sight, 4 for Golf.
4 for Golf, Roger. You'll be full stop, and you're number 2, runway 36, clear to land.
Roger. Runway 236, clear to land.
You're okay, your speed?
We're good.
I hate that face.
What face?
You make a face, I think something's wrong.
There's
It was
nothing
a beautiful, beautiful landing. Woohoo. But they feel like maybe the brakes don't.
Just concentration, that's all.
Oh.
And says 4 Golf, where do you park at?
We're going over to the restaurant on Golf.
4 Golf, Roger, right turn this frequency Golf to the restaurant.
Thank you.
And says 04 Echo.
They just saw us land.
Traffic, runway
Where are
36,
they?
clear for takeoff.
They're in the parking
Clear
lot.
for takeoff, right? Close down, clear for takeoff.
That's them?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Cardinal 35186, Oxford, good morning, and taxi 36 via Bravo, Golf, and Alpha. Hold short of 36 at Golf.
In the ugly plane. We're in the ugly plane.